This is my little baby. Baby Esme Renee. And she had the hiccupings. Oh. Oops. 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 Oh. Look at her little feeties. Look at these little feeties. And look at her little handy-wandies. Look. Oh my God. Oops. Oops. Do you love your daddy? Do you love your daddy? Excuse me. Do you love your daddy? No. Look at this. Look at the little feeties. Look. Look at them. And look at her. She's so beautiful. She make me want to kiss her all the times. Yeah. Are you a good girl or you a naughty girl? Oh, you're a naughty girl. Do you love your daddy or do you not love your daddy? Tell me quickly. No? Yes. Oh, so bless you. Your hiccup's gone. Oh, nope, not gone. What? Let me kiss yours. What? 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 Hellos. Hello. Oh, yeah. Who are you? Wait. Wait, let's tickle this. Let's tickle this little girl. Let's tickle her. Let's tickle her. Look, 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 belly. This her belly. Her belly. Hello. Oz. Oz. Ozot. Okay, I'm gonna ask you again. Do you love your daddy? No?
No, I don't.
Yes?
They can only see like this far, and they can only see black and white.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.